Hey, I am Timotha, Lanae, indie artist, songwriter, and vocal producer. And this video is an intro to my 5-part series on how to become a professional songwriter faster. So as I was creating the series, I realized that I needed to define, or at least share, what my definition is of being a professional songwriter. And my definition of a professional songwriter is pretty basic. It's someone that is paid for their skill of songwriting. So there are a lot of ways that this can manifest itself. So I'll share a few of the ways that I make money from my songwriting. So I've had songs that I've written placed in television shows and in film, where I'm paid an upfront licensing fee for the use of the song, and then I'm also paid on the back end for royalties. I've also had song placements on soundtracks and compilation albums, and then as an indie artist, my original releases and albums have done exceptionally well in the UK soul market, and I've had songs chart and hit #1 and do really well, which resulted in a lot of airplay and royalty revenue. So ASCAP, my performance rights organization, or PRO for short, collects the money for me and pays me because I'm a member. So that leads me to a very important point. You need to become a member of a PRO so that they can keep track of your royalties for you and so that you can get paid. So this video, I just tried to answer 2 basic things: what it means to be a professional songwriter, and also how do you get paid from your songwriting. So really simple things, but I also I'm working on a more in-depth video, because this was pretty high level basic, but I'm working on a more in-depth video on 10 ways to make money from the songs that you write. So make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up on all the new information that I'll be uploading. And hopefully this video has been helpful for you as an introduction. So please like, share, and subscribe if it has, and let's talk about it in the comments below. Are you already a member of a PRO like ASCAP? And then how do you make money from your songs? And if you aren't making money from your songs yet, how do you plan on making money from your songs? What area do you want to focus on to make money from your songs? So thanks so much for taking time out to watch this video. I am Timotha Lanae. God bless, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.